Yes, still at Anlo Awomefia Senior Secondary School, ANYASCO, Awomefia. Still here, and this is what I'm seeing here. Look at this is a classroom. This is a classroom, but desks economy dual desks or single desk small, dual desk small no nice classrooms. Ono na nyidaji so na nwa. And this is a classroom. This is a classroom. This is not a dining hall. Let me tell you, this is not a dining hall. But dining tables, you can on a dining hall, so here lafia. And sukuvio no na heaji, no muslim. Sukuvio no na heaji, no muslim. I'm going to some of the classroom. Me get a school of woman. It's very sad. And one thing he come agapola. Suku Bajaru Kuli Bajaku. A secondary school, Ali Bajaku. Umoto Porongo, no fence wall. They are not in a confined place. This is also another room. This is also another room. I don't know whether it's a dining hall or a classroom. I don't really get it. If it is dining hall, fine. But if it is not dining hall, it's a classroom, then this is very serious. So, we coming to this one. Check this one. For this one, there are some desks over here. Desks are all lafia, and this is the board. This is a blackboard. So these are some of the desks more lima. And in fact, this classroom needs big renovation. Serious renovation is needed in this classroom. Seriously. Let's go to another one here. Let's go to a different one here. It is very, very serious. ANYASCO, Sukuvio Mifupum. Seriously. So, this is another classroom. I don't think this is a dining hall. Akofia, you see this one? It's also a table. Long table with this seats over here. Long table and this seats over here. This is the blackboard. This is the board they are writing on it. And this is the table. Come, let's go to the different classroom. Let's go to this classroom. Window, we forget about the window. Look. No gate too. No door. Check this one too. Check this one too. Classroom yalo. Sukuvio no na classroom yamo. No slum. Manya desk. Long table. Ponya jino de sukuvio la. Ponya jino sukuvio la. Individuals actually sukuyang Awomefia. It's a school in Anyako, a secondary school. Having this as a classroom, having these tables is very, very serious. And reason you get number, it is serious. It is a classroom. Check this one. This is a timetable. This is a timetable. This is their timetable. So they are still using this classroom. And yet still, the classroom is like that. So look at this classroom. I mean, they are fortunate. Well, they are lucky to the extent that they have, how do we call it? They have some desks over here. Check this one out. This is general arts, 2 languages. I mean, they are lucky they have class desks. But my plastic chair, so this is a classroom. Yeah. It's very, 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 very bad here. I know. A chifenya ha. anu se on yana suku vi la fia. And see, this is a classroom. Hey, still offense. A classroom. Opaque me or opaque. Opaque decks so very well. Yeah, opaque very well. And seriously, ANYASCO Senior High School, Awomefia. Mijagba, Dimavio, Ekala Egbe. Mijagba mi apere suku yang plus ube ofonu nanyo. But over mosquito net. Ezamole. That's mosquito net. Ezamole as a net. Net baller. Check that one too. This is very serious. So this goes to the general public. Mijagba mi apere this is very school. Plus Yahana Idongogba. And it's very serious.